Today we'll talk about how can you select max price on your Redfin app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in verse, you just go down, click here on my Redfin, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click on settings, you just click on it. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. You click here on fade settings. So then you come to next step here, come here to max price, and here can you select your price here. So can you select it here, it's going to show for you like this. So that's all you have to do to select your max price. That's all. I wish you a great. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.